In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in a table on Notion. Being able to include a checkbox in your Notion table can greatly enhance productivity and keep your tasks organized, whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or simply keeping up with your to-do list. Let's dive into this simple yet effective tool that will help streamline your workflow. To begin, ensure that you have Notion open and ready, with the table where you'd like to add your checkbox. Remember, preparation is key. If you haven't already set up a table, you can easily create one by selecting Table from the database options when you add a new block. It's important that your database is in page view, not inline, so you have the full range of customization options. Once your table is ready, hover your cursor over the column headers. This is where we can add our checkbox. You'll notice a small plus icon that appears to the right of the last column header. Click on this plus icon to create a new column. Immediately, you'll be prompted to define what type of content this new column will hold. Here, you should see a variety of options. Look for the checkbox option and let's select that. Now that you've decided to add a checkbox column, you can name this column to reflect its purpose, such as complete or done. Naming your column helps quickly communicate its purpose to anyone viewing the table. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in terms of functionality and ensuring that everyone on your team can understand what's being tracked at a glance. After naming the column, you'll see that this column has been populated with checkboxes, ready for you to use. This will allow you to mark tasks as complete with a simple click, transforming your table into an interactive checklist. It's efficient and adds a layer of functionality to your table, making task management straightforward. The real beauty of Notion's checkboxes lies in the ability to incorporate them into more complex tracking systems. For example, you can use checkboxes to filter view options, allowing you to sort and only display tasks that are incomplete or to easily visualize progress. Finally, take a moment to test out your new checkbox function. Add some sample data to your table's rows and click on the checkboxes to see how it feels and make any necessary adjustments. This is your chance to fine-tune the system to best suit your needs. By introducing checkboxes to your Notion table, you can efficiently manage tasks and enhance your organization's workflow with minimal effort. We hope this quick guide has been helpful in showing you how simple it can be to stay organized with Notion. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.